Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi everyone, I'm back. Yes, I'm teacher Lisa and we are back to learn a new phonics with Meow. Most exciting organism in the world. Yes, the most exciting organism in the world has helped me through a lot of phonics in our previous video, and today he is going to help me with a new phonic. Yes, the phonic is I and R, which sounds do you know what it sounds like? Hello. Yes, I know what it sounds like, Meow. It sounds okay, I thought you were thinking. Yes, it was just a gimmick. Oh, okay. So IR sounds Yes, IR sounds So let's look at the first word. Oh, it's an S and an IR. Sir. What is sir? What's a sir? Sir is a gelaran or panggilan that we call a male person or an older person out of respect. Oh, out of respect. Apabila kita hormat kepada seorang lelaki ataupun lelaki yang lebih tua daripada kita, dalam panggilan dan kehormatan kita panggil dia sir. Oh, we call them sir. Yes, we call them sir. And also, it is a title conferred upon a male person by the Queen of United Kingdom. It's called Sir. It's more like Datuk in Malaysia. Oh, okay. It's like a title. Yes, but you can also call a male older person Sir out of respect. Oh, I usually call my male teachers Sir. Yes, you usually call your male teachers Sir. Okay, that's how you spell. Yes, okay, let's look at the next word. Okay, I think you have met some of these animals. Oh, okay. Sounds. Bird. Yummy. Yes. I think it's also one of your favorite food. Yes. I'm shy to admit it, but yes, I also eat birds. Yes, birds. What are birds? You know? Birds are burung. Yes, birds are burung. Okay. Oh, okay. This is quite hard. Yes, it's quite hard, so you need to mix the sounds carefully. Okay, S sound S, T sounds T, IR sounds S, T, S, T, stir. Yes, I think you already know what the sound. What is it? What stir is? Yes, stir means like this. Stir means kacau. Yes, stir means kacau. When you put a spoon inside of a drink and you turn it around, it means stir. And also this action means stir. Oh, now I know. I think all of you also learned a new word today, right? I think so. I learned a new word. Okay. So, this is the sound of sh. What's the sound like? S and H sound. IR sound. Oh. T sounds. T. So it sounds sh. T. Sh. Shirt. It sounds shirt. Yes, it sounds shirt. And it's very good that you sound the alphabet T quite slowly and nicely at the end of this sentence. It's not supposed to sound out the. It sounds supposed to sound out at the tip of your tongue. Because the correct way to sound out T is T, not the. Okay, so it's supposed to sound shirt. Shirt, not shirt. Yeah, right? Yes, that really sounds funny. Yes. Okay. So is this really the same type of category as shirt, but it's one not at the top, it's one at the bottom. Do you know what this is? I think I should read it. Yes, let's read together. SNKIRT. Skirt. 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 I don't wear skirts. Usually boys don't wear skirts, but usually girls wear skirts because I love skirts. I don't love skirts. Yes, it's because you're a boy and I'm a girl. Oh yes, I don't like girly stuff. Okay, so let's look at this word. So it's F R S T. First. I'm the first. Meow. First. What's the meaning of first? First means number one, or the first one, or the earliest one. First in Malay means yang pertama, yang nombor satu. Oh, I always like to be the first one. Yes, you're my first one. You're my first meow. Okay, let's look at this one. It's getting harder, don't you think? Yes, I think it's harder because the blue words at the front and at the back. Yes, so you need to sound this out carefully. Okay, T and H sounds. Okay, T and H sound. So to sound out T and H, you need to put your tongue between your teeth and you just blow the air out. That is the sound of TH, not the. It sounds. Can you try? T and H sound. IR sounds. S sounds. T sounds. So it sounds. Thirst. I'm thirsty. It's thirsty. It does meaning dahaga kan? Yeah, it means dahaga. I'm also dahaga. I'm also thirsty because I talk too much. No, you don't. I also talk too much. Okay, both talk too much. Okay, let's look. Oh, we're already at the end of our video. At the end of phonics. Okay, so do you have a message for everyone? No? I do. Okay, what is it? Don't forget to click like, subscribe and comment below. Yes, don't forget to comment. To click like, subscribe and comment below, and as usual, I will give stickers for everyone in my class that have comments below with your favorite word, or the words that you've already learned, or the words that you know that I do not talk in this video. And the best comment will receive a prize from me in the class. So without further ado, on to our next video. We will say goodbye for now. Say goodbye, Meow. Goodbye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today. Goodbye.